मैम राइट साइड मैम।
आप लोग हाय वाई भी नहीं बोलते, सीधे दूसरे की आँख में लाइट चिपका देते हैं और फिर
नहीं कैमरा सेट कर दूँगा।
अभी सेट मत कीजिए, ये सब डालिएगा नहीं।
किस तरह से आप इस एसोसिएशन के साथ जुड़े हुए हैं और क्या कहना चाहेंगे
सवाल सुन लूँ, जवाब सेंटर में दे दूँ। हाँ,
किस तरह से इस कॉज को देखती हैं आप और किस तरह से आप जुड़ी हुई हैं इसके साथ?
मैं आज इस इवेंट को होस्ट कर रही हूँ, जो कि मेरा सौभाग्य है, क्योंकि ज़्यादातर काम हम अपनी खुशी के लिए, अपने परिवार की खुशी के लिए करते हैं या आर्टिस्टिक सेटिस्फैक्शन के लिए करते हैं। बहुत कम काम कर पाते हैं हम जिससे किसी और का फ़ायदा हो, और वो फ़ायदा है छोटे बच्चों का। जेनेसिस फाउंडेशन आज की शाम CEOs जो बड़ी बड़ी कंपनियां चलाते हैं, उनको अपनी फेवरेट हॉबी यानी कि गाने के थ्रू फंड्स कलेक्ट कर रही है। और ये बहुत ही फेमस, सक्सेसफुल और पावरफुल व्यक्ति हैं, महिलाएं और आदमी, जो आज शाम को गाएंगे और वो जो फंड्स कलेक्ट होंगे वो बच्चों के वेलफेयर के लिए जाएंगे। तो आई एम delighted that I'm hosting this evening and very happy that Genesis Foundation gave me this chance.
टिशू जी, कितना अलग एक्सपीरियंस होता है ऐसे शोज़ का एंड ऐसे प्रोग्राम्स का?
आई थिंक बहुत ज़्यादा मुझे बोलना नहीं चाहिए इस बारे में, क्योंकि इतनी कोई बहुत बड़ी बात नहीं है। मैं एक शाम को एक फंक्शन होस्ट कर रही हूँ। जो लोग इस फाउंडेशन से जुड़े हैं वो बहुत ही बेहतरीन काम कर रहे हैं। लोगों ने अपनी ज़िंदगियाँ लगा दी हैं इस काम में। बहुत थोड़ी सी चीज़ है, छोटी सी चीज़ है कि मैं एक शाम को कुछ कंट्रीब्यूट कर पा रही हूँ, बट आई एम वेरी हैप्पी दैट आई एम डूइंग इट।
और आप कितना इमोशनल हो जाती हैं अगर इस तरह की चीज़ों को बातें आपको किस तरह की करनी है, इमोशनल बातें करनी है, क्या तैयारियाँ थी इसके लिए आज?
आई थिंक जिस तरह से इस शाम का स्ट्रक्चर है, इट्स ऑल अबाउट फन। आप एक चैरिटेबल कॉज से जुड़े हैं, बट बहुत सीरियस या गमगीन फील नहीं है उसका। CEOs अपने फेवरेट गाने गाने वाले हैं एंड इट्स गोइंग टू बी अ ब्लास्ट।
Dia Mirza, she spent yesterday with the Tata Memorial Kids, and she tried to gain an experience with the cancer patients and how they live on the streets. What do you say on it? Like, would you do the same as well?
I've कुछ समय पहले एक पॉलिटिकल पार्टी ने एक ऑर्गेनाइज़ किया था कैंसर, तो एक पॉलिटिकल पार्टी ने ऑर्गेनाइज़ किया था एक कैंसर पेशेंट्स जो बच्चे हैं उनके साथ एक मेरी फ़िल्म की स्क्रीनिंग ऑर्गेनाइज़ की थी, बिकॉज दे रियली लाइक दैट फिल्म। और मैं नहीं देख सकी उनके साथ बिकॉज इट वाज जस्ट टू डिफ़िकल्ट टू सी इट। लाइफ की कुछ सच्चाइयाँ होती हैं जो हमें पता हैं, और हमें पता है कि ये सच है और ये बीमारी होती है और इसके इलाज में पैसे लगते हैं, और वो पैसे जुटाने में एक्टर्स एक्ट्रेसेस मदद कर सकते हैं, हम कुछ कर सकते हैं। पर जब प्रैक्टिकल रियलिटी में वो बात फ़ेस टू फेस आप देखते हैं उन बीमार बच्चों को, इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल फॉर एटलीस्ट फॉर मी टू सी दैट वेरी ईजिली। मेरे को बहुत मुश्किल होता है, तो मैं उठ के चली गई, बाहर वेट करती रही जब शो ख़त्म हुआ, और मैं उनसे बातचीत की, फिर भी मैं रो पड़ी। सो आई एम नॉट वेरी गुड विद दैट। सर्टिफिकेशन होनी चाहिए, सेंसरशिप नहीं। हम बच्चे नहीं हैं, 2016 है ये। आप लोगों को ये नहीं बता सकते कि आप ये देखिए और आप ये मत देखिए, क्योंकि ऑडियंस मैच्योर है और वो खुद बखूबी जानती है क्या देख सकती है और क्या नहीं देख सकती। या पेरेंटल गाइडेंस होनी चाहिए, UA सर्टिफिकेशन होना चाहिए, ये सर्टिफिकेशन होना चाहिए। आई डोंट थिंक आई बिलीव इन सेंसरशिप एट ऑल, ऑफ बुक्स, ऑफ फिल्म, ऑफ एनीथिंग। Thank you so much.
ladies and gentlemen. Thank you all, Genesis Foundation, for giving us this opportunity to do our two-bit. But more than any of us, I think it's the swinging, singing CEOs that we're all looking forward to. And without doing too much of yaka yaka yaka, I think which everyone's a little sick of at most of these functions, let's just get on with the business.
We've not done much yet, so I hope nobody is sick of any of the conversations that have happened so far. They've been extremely meaningful, right? Yes, thank you. Okay.
And after this point, it'll start to get to that point.
Even better, yeah. It'll get better. Don't worry. Yes. So, shall we bring in the first singer for the evening?
The first singer for the evening.
Before we bring up the first singer, I have to tell you all that we had Mr. Pankaj Chaturvedi who was going to come and sing. I know you were all looking forward to his performance, but unfortunately, he could not make it today. He's flying all the way to Japan, right? Nani? Tokyo. He's off to Tokyo right now. Yes, he's off to Tokyo. And he was going to come here, sing before 8 o'clock and leave, but he said, you know how Mumbai traffic is, so I'm sorry I can't make it. But now that we don't have him, our first singer for the day is someone who is the trustee for CMCA, which is Children's Movement for Civic Awareness. She's been a student of music, learning Hindustani and semi-classical for many, many years. Let's give a big round of applause and welcome on stage the very lovely Vinodini Lula. Can we get the band up on stage as well? Come on up, boys. While they are setting up, why don't we have a chat? Can we have her mic?
So I definitely want a big round of applause for Krell Pereira and his entire team. For the longest time from our first event, they've been supporting us with all kind of support here, right?
Krell is very shy. He's like, just don't say a full name also. Krell is also enough. But they've been really, really fantastic. Krell, we've got Hamza on drums, and we're going to have Aditya and
That voice, mesmerizing. Big round of applause. And that's after how many years did you start singing again? Or did you never stop?
No, I stopped singing. And
Like altogether?
yeah, for some reason, I don't know why, but I did. Yeah.
Oh, what a pity. And then how long back did you start again?
Maybe 10 years.
And this is the result of 10 years? Wow, fantastic. Thank you, thank you. And up next, our next CEO, Shailesh Savani, founder and CEO of CompuLinks. Shailesh Savani is a commerce graduate from the Bombay University, a diploma in computer science from Bombay, and currently pursuing on the Entrepreneur's Master's Program at MIT Boston. Shailesh, stage is all yours.
It's a great honor to be here. Thanks to Genesis Foundation and my very, very dear friend Geetu.
अभी दिया मुझे कह रही थी कि आप सब
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I see a lot of familiar faces here. It's just so wonderful to see this room full of love. Thank you to each one of you who has made the time to share and the time to care. Thank you on behalf of the Genesis Foundation for your precious, invaluable effort to make this evening one that truly embodies love and a commitment to change the lives of underprivileged children forever. A few very precious lives will be saved through this program this evening. And what I truly admire about Genesis is the fact that they use celebration, music, and love to gather funds and raise support for children. Oftentimes, we associate a sense of somberness, a sense of seriousness with charity and social work or making a difference. It does not have to be like that. We can all get together and have lots of fun and create wonderful memories and be happy in the knowledge that we are making a difference. And this thought is so wonderfully translated by an incredible song that we've put together. It's called Gudgudi. And just like the name suggests, it's a song that shows our children and their lives that have been changed forever through the wonderful work that Genesis is doing. I would like to thank Divine Raga on behalf of the Genesis Foundation for coming to us and working with us and trying to make this wonderful song possible. And I think this
before
is
you launch it,
yes.
How about we get them to stand up once again?
Come
Please,
on.
gentlemen, stand.
You have
Even if you don't come up on stage, stand up, turn around, think about it. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for Divine Raga. You heard them talk a little while ago, and now you'll see their work in action. So, with you.
As long as you don't ask me to sing, Mihir.
No, not asking you to sing. We got them singing. Let's show the video to everybody.
Yes.
Yeah.
What is really special about the video is that it shows, it's actually proof of how we make practically every interaction with children a lot of fun. I was in Tata Memorial Hospital yesterday, and before I went, I told my mother I was meeting 7 children that Genesis Foundation was supporting, and 4 whom are on the road to recovery. And my mother welled up, she got very overwhelmed, and she said, how do you do it? How do you deal with the reality and the possible consequence that these lives have been endangered? These little babies, how do you deal with that? And I said, I don't know right now, but I will find out. Because each time I go to the hospital, I come back with a newfound wisdom that these children impart. So yesterday when I went back home from my hospital visit, with having spent time with children, I came back in absolute awe of all of them. But especially, most awe for one little girl who was the youngest of them all. Amra. She corrected me. I said, Amna. She said, nahin, Amra. Okay, Amra. Amra was such a feisty, spirited, full of joy little child who was having so much fun. We had such a great time together. And she reminded me of how, as elders or adults, we tend to make a bigger deal out of our problems. And how beautifully children who are also confronted by such a large, enormous reality learn to deal with it with joy and happiness and smiles. And there were 3 children who were physically weak. They couldn't participate in the fun. They couldn't run around like Amna did. But they sat there participating in every moment wholeheartedly and enjoying themselves. And that's what I went back with. I said, how can you feel anything but love and light and a sense of belief and faith that the human spirit is born with so much strength, so much positivity, and we can make good out of even the most extraordinary circumstances. So that was my little precious lesson that I got from adorable Amra, and that's, I think, what we will see in Gudgudi. So let's take a look.
Shall we? Can we dim the lights? Let's do one thing for Divine Raga. Can we get them up on stage? Come on guys, come on. Now you definitely need to come up on stage.
Were they in Kasoli with us?
No, but I'm sure they'll want to get them next year.
Oh, last year. Okay, great. So next year you'll join us? Yes? I'm not leaving you with a choice.
Acha, Divine Raga guys, now we can do one thing, and I know she has a massive following on Twitter, and I know people would want to see this song. Let's take a picture, like a selfie with everybody in this room. So let's turn around like they do at rock concerts, and let's try to let's get the lights up over in here so that we can see all the CEOs and all the lovely guests who've come over here. Come on, let's get the lights in this room back on. It might take a little while. We're not going to do this until we take.
Asking for too much.
Not asking for. Get the lights back on in this place. Come on, guys. ITC, lights kahan pe? Buttons? Oh, okay, there they are. I figured it out. Divine Raga, let's get. There's a fair amount of light here already. And oh yeah, there you go. People have come in. And now listen, I know everyone's not going to come into the frame, but can we have, and I know this is not an animated photo, but can we have everybody make a little bit of noise? Show some energy over here. Done. So we have a picture of Divine Raga with the lovely Diyamiza. And now, before she goes off stage, gentlemen, you can take your seats back. Thank you very much for coming. No, we'll get them to come and sing. No, now I'm going to make you sing because there's something that I want to tell you about that the Genesis Foundation is going to launch very soon. It's called Music String. And the reason we're talking about this right now is because the CEOs who are taking part today, we want you to be the first few people who will help us in making this fantastic initiative happen. Oh, sorry, can you help her? Yeah. Okay, so the initiative is very simple. We're going to give you any song that you want. Actually, you can pick a song that you want. Sing maybe 1 or 2 lines of that song and post it on Facebook and Twitter with the hashtag MusicString.
Or Instagram.
Or Instagram. Or Snapchat. But social media, we want you to put that up. And the whole objective of doing this is so that people find out about the incredible work that the Genesis Foundation is doing. But that's not it. We would love it if... Yeah.
We're trying to highlight the fact that raising funds does not have to be a boring, somber,
Exactly. It can be a fun thing, it can be about music, it can be about getting people together. And like I said, it doesn't end with just posting the song. We need you to tag 3 people.
And then they have to do it.
And they have to do it. You remember the Ice Bucket Challenge? This is just like that without getting cold and having a lot of fun. I mean, like, you don't have to shiver while you're doing the song, unless that's a trick for making the song sound nice. But basically, sing a song, get 3 friends or 3 people from the industry, anybody. Roshan Abbas, I see you there. I would love it
Can
if
we
you...
start with Roshan, please? Roshan, come here.
No. I would love it if...
I'm not singing. I'm going to get him.
No.
Just come here.
No.
Roshan, come here.
I was going to tell him to tag like Salman Khan and Shah Rukh Khan and like Sunil.
Roshan, come here. He just has to tag his wife. It will fly. Come. Come here. Let's start. Let's kickstart this with you.
So she's kind of cheating over
Smart
here.
child.
So 2 lines, any song that you want. Genesis Foundation, not the song that you was. Any song you want, 2 lines. And then right now on stage itself, I want you to think of 3 people who are going to follow you to do it. Yeah? So.
And we have to record it while you're doing it.
Yeah.
Give me your phone.
There are. Oh, okay, brilliant. We're going 1 step further.
Yeah, of course.
Let's do it.
So
Selfie.
you want a selfie mod? Hey.
Alright, selfie video. Go for it. Wait. Achha, go for it. 2 lines.
Any song.
2 lines, any song that you want, Hindi, English, doesn't matter.
Okay.
And then nominate 3 people to do it after.
To do the same song or
No, any song. Any song
I'm
you want.
a little challenge, and he's getting worried, that's why I'm going to do this. मितवा कहें धड़कने तुझसे क्या मितवा ये खुद से तो ना तू छुपा and Kabir, Mini and Shaheen, okay, I'm tagging you guys, please carry this chain forward and continue the study, right?
Brilliant. That's exactly how it's done. The video is ready. So you have the video ready, and when we tell you, you don't need to send it. You have to put it on your own Twitter and Facebook. So we'll tell you when to do that. But let's give a big round of applause to Roshan Abbas for kicking things off.
That's his sport. Yeah, he's suddenly given me a little bit of himmat.
See, exactly. Because I'm not letting her go without at least humming 1 line of any song that she loves. And all those cameras and the cameras of the Genesis Foundation are going to capture this. In fact, let's take it 1 step further.
Why don't you sing with me?
I'll sing with you. What do you sing?
You start, I'll follow. I'll be chorus.
Which song?
Should we do Zara Zara?
Okay, go for it. In your key, go for it.
Oh, who you capturing?
You. And there you go.
Zara Zara महकता है बहकता है आज तो मेरा तन बदन मैं प्यासी हूँ मुझे भर ले अपनी बाहों में
Brilliant! How about a big round of applause? You've got finished your last part. 3 people.
Okay. 3 people who need to take this forward are Hrithik Roshan, Nargis Fakhri. I want to hear her sing. That'll be great fun. And Karan Johar.
Done. Recording done. Genesis Foundation people, you have 1 video here and 1 video in Roshan Abbas's phone which is ready. CEOs, your 16 other videos are required, and we are hoping that this initiative, the Music String Initiative, gets a lot of people to know about what the Genesis Foundation is doing and realize exactly like she said, that it can be a lot of fun to do charitable work. With that said, I want to thank you very, very much for being here and spending time with everybody over here. Any final thoughts that you want to share with everyone before you step off?
Okay, we have a rule. Genesis doesn't thank me.
Genesis, okay. So thank
Not
God.
allowed.
Thank God, now I know. Now next time when we meet for another event, I will not thank you.
No, you don't
yes,
have
no
to.
thanking happening.
In fact, we should thank you
Thank
for
you.
all the time you make for us.
Glad to be.
I'm not going to say much more, because I know that all of the hearts that are seated in this room beat in the right direction. And I would just like to say a very, very big, heartfelt thank you from all of us at Genesis, the support group, all the people who work with the parents of these children, and holding them and taking them through this extraordinary journey. And I think we all should go home in this wonderful knowledge that we have impacted and changed the lives of 7 incredible children tonight. Thank you.
Big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much. Alright, time now to get the music started back once again. And while they take photos, let me take my papers. Are we ready for some more music, for more singing? I think that happened, that thing that Iska was talking about, everybody's energy has suddenly dipped. Can we hear it once again? Are we ready for some more music? There you go, it's back on. So let me introduce to you our third singer for the evening, Mr. Vaidyanathan, who is the founder and chairman of Capital First Limited. Let me tell you the interesting things. There's a whole bunch of information here, but the most interesting thing that I find is he's also a marathoner.
This is my second year with Genesis Foundation. वो वाकई में बहुत खूबसूरत काम करते हैं. They basically arrange, organize funds for children of underprivileged families who are, who have life-threatening diseases. Sometimes they are born with life-threatening illness. Sometimes they acquire illness. And it's been a truly remarkable 2 years with them. उनके काम करने का तरीका इतना खूबसूरत है. वो म्यूज़िक कॉन्सर्ट्स ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं. ये जो CEO सिंह है, ये साल में एक मर्तबा होता है. अलग अलग शहरों में, हमारे देश के अलग अलग कोनों में CEOs जो कंपनीज़ के हैं वो आगे आते हैं, अपना समय देते हैं और गाने गाते हैं. सो इट्स अ इवनिंग ऑफ म्यूज़िक एंड लाफ्टर एंड हैप्पीनेस. लेकिन वो करते करते फंड्स इकट्ठा होते हैं इन बच्चों के मददगार के रूप में, इन बच्चों के लिए. एंड वी सेव्ड ओवर 700 लाइव्स ऑफ young, beautiful, precious children. And for me personally, I wear Genesis Foundation like a badge of honor. I feel great pride and I feel very humbled कि उन्होंने मुझे अपना एम्बेसडर बनाया. और साल के बहुत दिन बड़े खूबसूरती से गुजरते हैं क्योंकि इनके साथ काम करने का मौका मिलता है. हम कोशिश यही करते हैं कि हम उन बच्चों से मिले जिनको हम ट्रीटमेंट दिलवाते हैं. और कल मैं टाटा मेमोरियल हॉस्पिटल गई थी. वहाँ पे जेनेसिस फाउंडेशन के 7 बच्चों से मेरी मुलाकात हुई. उनके अलावा आई मेट ऑल द अदर चिल्ड्रन इन द पीडियाट्रिक वार्ड, पीडियाट्रिक ऑन्कोलॉजी वार्ड. ये सारे बच्चे हैं जो या तो ब्लड कैंसर के साथ पैदा हुए हैं या किसी और फॉर्म ऑफ कैंसर के साथ. और उनकी स्पिरिट, उनकी एनर्जी, उनकी खूबसूरती, उनकी खुशी देखकर ये एहसास होता है कि हम सब में एक बहुत खूबसूरत एहसास है जिसके साथ हम पैदा होते हैं, वो है जीने का. एंड व्हेन दे गेट एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू लिव, it really shines in them. And I just feel very grateful that I got to spend time with these incredible children who are spreading so much laughter and happiness in my life. I went there to cheer them up, but they cheered me up and they made me feel so good. मेरी I think बातचीत तो बच्चों से जैसे हम बात करते हैं, खेलते हैं, मस्ती करते हैं उनके साथ, थोड़ी सी ड्राइंग, कलरिंग करते हैं उनके साथ. और हर एक बच्चे का खुद का एक पर्सनालिटी होता है, वो भर के आता है. कल मेरी मुलाकात एक बड़ी नन्ही सी प्यारी सी लड़की के साथ हुई जिसका नाम अमरा है. और उस छोटी सी नन्ही सी जान का जो एक इतने बड़े बीमारी को जूझ के निकल रही है, उसको देखकर मुझ में इतनी शक्ति आ गई, क्योंकि आपको उनकी खुशी, उनकी सादगी, उनकी मुस्कुराहट ये बात का एहसास दिलाती है कि while you're alive, be happy, live to the fullest, be grateful that you have, you're alive, and ये मैंने अमरा से सीखा।
Diya, since you're an ambassador of Genesis Foundation, and they had their programs in Kasol and Goa, so how was the experience of being a part of Genesis Foundation?
वेल कसौली में हम द ब्लूज़ फेस्टिवल ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं, रिदम एंड ब्लूज़। वो बहुत ही खूबसूरत माहौल होता है, इतनी खूबसूरत जगह में लोग इकट्ठा होते हैं, अलग अलग म्यूज़िक बैंड्स आगे आते हैं, अपना टाइम देते हैं फंड रेजिंग के लिए। लास्ट ईयर गोवा में CEO सिंह हुआ था, वो भी बहुत ही मशहूर हमारा एक इवेंट है। एंड आज का पार्टिसिपेशन देखकर और आज का टैलेंट देखकर आई थिंक हम सब ये सोचते नहीं है कि CEOs में इतना कुट के टैलेंट होगा, वो इतना अच्छा गा पाते हैं, लेकिन इट्स रियली वंडरफुल टू सी पीपल मेकिंग द टाइम टू शेयर एंड वांटिंग टू मेक अ डिफरेंस। एक सपोर्ट स्टाफ मुझसे हमेशा ये कहते हैं, वो काफ़ी सालों से जेनेसिस फाउंडेशन में काम कर रहे हैं, और वो हमेशा कहते हैं कि मेरे एक्सपीरियंस में मैंने देखा है कि अगर हमारे हाथ में कोई बच्चा आ जाए, उसकी जान बचनी ही है, हम उसे किसी भी तरह उस बच्चे की जान बचा लेते हैं। लोग आ ही जाते हैं, लोग मिल ही जाते हैं, बच्चे की जान बच ही जाती है। ओके,
You know, Urda Punjab show is happening. So, how do you think Censor Board is playing such a crucial role in putting up films and being in this era? What do you think about censorship?
It's been a great victory for the film industry, for the verdict that the High Court has given on the appeal made by Urda Punjab. I think this debate has led to some very healthy discourse. The most wonderful thing about this is that the film industry united to stand for the art form and the fact that we must have the right to creative freedom. But more than anything else, I think what this whole debate has highlighted is that it is the Central Board for Film Certification and not a censor board. Thank you.
Thank you so much.